Python lambdas in Jinja2. I use Jinja2 as a website template engine, and all helper functions used in templates I've implemented as macros, but for one. This is its Python code. It returns CSS class for an arrow, which is closest to the specified angle. This function is, and will be, used only in templates, so it makes sense to implement it in templates too, namely as a macro. However, trying to do this I noticed that Jinja2 doesn't seem to support Python lambdas. Is it true, and if yes then how to write this function better? I hope loop isn't necessary here.
Register it as a filter. And in template. You can use decorators to manage Jinja filters easily.
Wziął wam to Semor, plus do subscribing.